Welcome to Crypto World. Today we have seen another coin, another pair of coin which is moving like a rocket. That is Prometheus. Its name is PROM. Especially if you see the Binance, you can find it has been trading in two pairs, to BUSD, you mean to say Binance USD, and Binance Coin. And in both the pairs, it is at present 130% up. However, you would find that the peak would have been around 160% up. What could be the reason? Now let's understand what is this PROM coin. Basically, this PROM coin, it describes itself as a secure and decentralized ecosystem currency in the real world, and it is usually used for data brokerage. It was used for marketing, medical and insurance data market, and it was being prepared by Prometheus Lab and data scientists. The total supply for this coin has been around 6 million approximately. So it's quite less. So it's almost 6 million 61 lakhs. So that could be the reason for its price rise. So if you compare with the total volume, you would say that this coin was really undervalued. We're trading at around $2. And that was the reason for last few days it was rising consistently. So this rise was but obvious with such a low volume and trading at a low level. It has touched an all-time high today. The previous all-time high was in September October 2020, and it was around 18.8 or $19 approximately. So it's just above all-time high. Yes, we are still bullish because Bitcoin is on the in the uptrend, so we would expect that this coin would rise further, but we don't suggest you to enter at this moment. It is something like entering at this moment would be risky because Bitcoin is trading at around 47,750, and it could go either way. The probability of going upward is more, but as it touches for $50,000, you know that all these alts would bleed. So, whomsoever have this coin, we would suggest to sell partly at this point, and you can keep the 50% of the coins and wait to get another peak or another all-time high. And new entrants we won't suggest. This is a good coin, but for future prospect you would get around $2 to $3 maybe in month or two. It would come back. But this is just a peak, but a good coin to have a look. Thank you. Please join our Telegram link, which is given into the description window below the video. Our Telegram link is Crypto C Signal. You can search directly into Telegram. Thank you. Have a great day.